Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to getting started in Google Sheets. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up google.com on any browser. So after opening up google.com, here you guys have to simply click on the apps, which is right to your profile. So here you guys have to simply scroll down and find the sheets. So after clicking on that, in this way you guys can be able to access Google Sheets. So Google Sheet is basically free web-based application provided by Google in which you can manage your financial data or any kind of data which is managed on Microsoft Excel. So you guys have to just simply click on blank spreadsheet. So in this way your spreadsheet will be created. Let's gonna talk about the above area of Google Sheets, which is first one is Google toolbar. So in the toolbar, there are multiple options which can be used as a shortcut, or you guys can access the most used features here. So you guys can see these are some options where you guys can be able to use. You bold the text. Here you guys can italic the text. Here you guys can change the size of your text. And here you guys can set the formatting of your text. Here you guys can align the text, and here are some of the options like filter or filter views or insert command. So here are some of the options you guys can most use on this toolbar. So let's gonna talk about the above one. The more features are available in above section, which is file, edit, view, insert, format, data, tools, extensions, and help. So let's gonna talk about one by one. By tapping on this, here in the file section you guys can be able to manage your file, like if you want to create new file of spreadsheet, or you guys can import previously created spreadsheet, or you guys can make copy, import, share. So all about the files are in the file options. And here in the edit section you guys can be able to copy, paste, undo, redo. These options are in edit section. And in the view section you guys can be able to view the spreadsheet in multiple ways. And in the insert section you guys, if you want to add charts, image, drawing, or any kind of data in the spreadsheets, so you guys can use the insert page, and you guys can add cells, rows, columns, or adjust any of things here. And in the format section you guys can adjust the formatting of your spreadsheet. And in the data section you guys can add filters, and you guys can clean up the data. You guys can extract the data. You guys can add connectors of data. So all about the data will be here in the data section. And here in the tool section you guys can be able to use some tools. You guys just have to use these tools to automate your work. And here in the extension you guys can be also use extensions for your spreadsheet in order to manage your speedy work. And here in the help section, if you want any kind of help about spreadsheet, you guys can simply search here, and Google will help you in there in this section. And let's talk about this one. By tapping on this you guys can directly jump to Google Sheets homepage. And by tapping on this here you guys can rename your spreadsheet of which you are currently using. You guys can rename it according to your needs. So changing the name is the first feature you guys must have to do, is because you guys can easily manage your sheets after some time. Let's finally talk about this section. Here you guys can see the comment section, and here is the call section, and here is the share section. These three options allow you to collaborate with other users on this spreadsheet. And here is the main interface. It is very pretty simple. So you guys have to just simply use this as a cells. Like this is the first cell, and you guys have to put data here. So in the cells you guys can also see these are columns, these are rows. And in the columns you guys have to just simply add a heading, you guys have to simply add a number. And in the cells you guys have to simply put your data. And in this section you guys have to put the formula of which you want to make changes in Google Sheets. And here in the bottom section you guys can be able to see the plus icon to add a sheet. Like if you want to work on more sheets, so you guys have to just simply tap on add. So in this way you guys can make a new sheet and work on new sheet. And here you guys can be able to manage the sheets. Like if we select this one, so here you guys can be able to see our sheet has been created. Now you guys can manage your sheets by tapping on this and this. And adding the sheets in the same document is useful when you want to use similar data. So you guys can put multiple sheets in a same document. So it is basically a same document which name is free, and you guys can add multiple sheets related to this data. And here it is. That's cover the basics of Google Sheets. So I hope that's all for today, guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.